Hello?
Hello, sir. Who am I speaking to?
Who do you want to speak to?
I'm just phoning to find out if you'd be interested in this wonderful offer that we have.
Regarding?
Miss, let me ask you a question quickly. How many pairs of underpants do you have?
What?
How many pairs of underpants do you have?
Why are you asking me such a question?
So I'll tell you why, because you never need to buy another pair of underpants again. We've got a wonderful new product called the Underpants Repair Kit that I'd love to tell you all about today, and hopefully you could buy one.
Okay, send me a location. I'm coming.
No, I'm going to talk to you over the phone, sir.
Okay.
Sorry, sir, I can't hear you. You're breaking up there.
Whackhead, no? Whackhead Simpson.
Hey, brother.
Whackhead Simpson, yeah. Simpson. It's easy. I can hear his voice.
Ah, you got me.
94.5.
That's the one.
Shout out.
94.5. Look by his voice. That's it. You
Yeah.
just call me from with the number now. That's what it is.
Too good, too sharp.
I cracked the case.
This one flopped. You beat me, my man. 1-0 to you. What is your name?
Mohammed.
Okay, Mohammed. Well, nice to chat to you, bro. You see, and I knew that was going to bring you the joy. Then I got busted.
Mohammed could not be pranked.
Mohammed got me. He got me.
Hold it.
Who has something like this?